Save Freedoms was laid out with the mission to give admittance to stable money to each individual on the planet. Save Privileges project emphatically accepts that out-of-control inflation can be killed. They worked and created monetary programming that can assist people with managing out-of-control inflation. Save was sent off in May 2019 after an underlying trade presenting at the Huobi Prime stage. Nevin Freeman and Matt Sr. helped to establish the organization. Hold Privileges produce cash by taking a charge from clients who execute cash through their monetary application. Hold Privileges permits the client to save, move, spend and get cash through the Hold application, and the local token is known as the RSR. Save Privileges have cooperated with the Venezuelan government to determine the issue of money precariousness. They have laid out a corporate association with 7 Versatile Africa, Angola's biggest cell phone merchant. The major institutional financial backers of Hold Freedoms incorporate Coinbase Adventures, Computerized Cash Gathering, NGC, Fenbushi Capital, Velorum Capital, Pre-Heavenly Messenger, Rocket Fuel, Crypto Lotus, and so on. How in all actuality do Hold Privileges works? Save Privileges is a double symbolic stablecoin stage-got by a proof-of-work agreement system, an ERC20 token on the Ethereum blockchain. The Hold application permits clients to move cash through a steady money. The worth of the coin is safeguarded from diminishing blind power, which expects to protect the work and exertion of the proprietor. Hold stablecoin called a Save token, RSV, is a digital currency keeping coordinated equivalency with US dollars. It tends to be spent like government-issued money or USD. Presently RSV can be traded for the public monetary standards of Venezuela, Colombia, and Argentina with the Authority Save application. Later on, it is wanting to grow to all nations. RSV is a steady coin, however RSR is unstable. The uniqueness of Hold is that other stable coins are upheld by USD held in a financial balance and oversaw by a steady coin guarantor. In any case, RSV is constrained by the repository of cryptographic money administered by Brilliant Agreements. According to current information, an essential stablecoin conveyed on Ethereum is upheld by 1/3 USDC, 1/3 TUST, and 1/3 PACTS. The second is the Save Freedoms. RSR is utilized to keep RSV stay stable in its worth. Hold Privileges specialized examination. Specialized investigation on everyday outlines shows that the ongoing cost of RSR is $0.017 with a 8.43% misfortune and a 24-hour exchanging volume of $28,817,332. The base value of the present exchanging meeting is $0.01749, and the greatest cost is $0.019. The RSR cost diagram shows that the Save Privileges cost has diminished from all time and exchanged sideways. Later on, in July, the Morningstar affirmation on the graph started an upswing, RSR built up speed and covered half. Then it saw a pattern inversion, sell signals have showed up, RSR's cost tumbled from the help levels shaping worse low points with decreased volume. From the last May onwards, RSR cost is exchanging sideways, and on an equal channel, OBV isn't supported. It is fluctuating, yet dealers are not totally surrendering trust on Hold Privileges. On equilibrium volume is set at 4.65 billion. Vacillation shows the vulnerability of Save Freedom's cost expectation. The cost of Save Privileges has broken the close by help at $0.017 and moving towards the $0.0166 support zone. The significant help is put at $0.0076. In the event that the negative pattern pulls the cost of Save Privileges underneath the significant help zone, it will be an obstacle for the coin. On the everyday diagram, the anticipated degree of adjacent opposition is at $0.027. In the event that RSR/USD breaks this level, the crypto will move to test the opposition level of $0.040. The cost of Save Freedoms needs to balance the significant obstruction as put at $0.04365 prior to entering the upturn towards an untouched high. The typical directional file is moving towards 21.2, showing a negative pattern. Despite the fact that Hold Freedoms attempted to break out after a W-design development on the graph, yet neglected to defeat the levels. After the most elevated levels, it has executed a falling wedge on the outline. In the event that it breaks the level displayed in the picture, it will move towards an upswing. Specialized examination shows that it will move downwards for the ongoing meeting and a slight expansion in the following couple of days. Assuming it neglects to break the opposition, it will again turn into a downtrend. Hold Freedoms Value Forecasts, 2022 to 2026. RSR is a piece of one of the novel tasks in the cryptobiological system. The circumstance of some other digital currencies can be changed whenever, even Bitcoin. In any case, Save Freedom's cost forecast by the monetary specialists shows that it is a wise venture choice. The worth of RSR will increment extensively in 5 years or less. Save Freedom's Value Forecast 2022. Toward the start of 2022, the Save Freedom's cost is supposed to exchange at $0.027, and in the center, the obstacle of $0.029 will be crossed, and it might push toward the most extreme degree of $0.031 according to our Hold Privileges Value Forecast 2022. The whole year, Hold Privileges, RSR, is supposed to move at a typical cost of $0.030 and a base cost of $0.027. Save Freedom's Value Forecast 2023. 2023 on the drawn-out graph is really great for the crypto market. However, according to Hold Privileges cost expectation, the RSR isn't supposed to contact the 10 cents level this year. Toward the start of 2023, it might exchange at the $0.035 level, and later RSR costs will cross 4 cents, which might be the most extreme cost of Save Freedoms. While it might expect a typical cost of $0.038. Hold Privileges, RSR, Value Forecast 2024. Hold Privileges cost expectation shows that it will cross 5 cents in the year 2024, and it will end up being a wise speculation for the present moment. Later on, Hold Freedoms is expecting ventures internationally and will broaden its impressions to major crypto markets. Save Freedom's cost expectation for the year proposes the base and greatest cost perhaps $0.049 and $0.055 with a typical cost of 5 cents. Hold Freedom's Value Forecasts 2025. According to our specialists, Hold Freedoms is supposed to procure more resource base from now on, and our RSR value expectation is expecting that it might arrive at a greatest cost of $0.065. The cost might hang between 7